Hey everybody, this is Mike from the Collectors Corner TCC, and you know where we are today. If you don't know where we are, you'll be in for a treat. This is my third time at this machine. It's a nice baseball card vending machine. I'll show you the inside in a second. Just wanted to stop in since I was around the neighborhood and see what was inside, see if there's anything new. Alright, so let's go take a look and see what we could find in here. There we go. There is the All-Star vending machine. Alright, so you guys remember the machine. Here's the machine. It is packed today. So let's see what they got. A lot of football. You have some baseball. There goes those chase packs. That was 2016, Series 2. And then the rest are all Pokemon, Yu-Gi-Oh, wrestling. Alright, let's go back up to the baseball again. Heritage Fat Pack, $4. Bowman. $2 and $3. $5 at Archives. Alright, so I'm going to pick up some stuff. I'll be right back. And I'll show you what I got. Okay everybody, so we are back. I'm going to show you what I ended up picking up. We have 2 packs of assorted cards. This is like their little grab bag. These were $1 each. Alright, so we're going to open these 2 up and see what we could find in them. We picked up 1 pack of Series 1 2018 tops, and I picked up 3 of the 2016 Series 2 tops. Alright, so let's go first into, all of these were $1 each. So let's go first into the 2018 Series 1. Alrighty. Adams. Santana. Nice. Urena rookie card. Nice. I'm collecting Barry Larkin. Nice. Insert. I am collecting a trying to make a set. So Topps Now card. Matt Joyce. Another rookie. George Springer. Buster Posey. Alright, so not bad. Not bad for $1. Let's get into, you know what, let's do one of these. Do one of the grab bag ones. These were $1 each also. Last time I did buy a grab bag, it did have some nice cards in it. I remember these cards when they first came out. Flair. Myers, Chris Johnson, Willie McGee, Oswald Perez, Greg Olson, Jay Buhner, Molina card, Derek Bell, Greg Vaughn, so far nothing to write home about, but we're a little bit halfway through. David Wells, Jim Clancy, McCutcheon, triple play, all different tops here. And that's about it for this pack. Not that good that I thought. Let's jump into one of these 2016 Series 2. Alright, we start with a Pujols, Vlacki, Lopez, Rondon, Morrison, Matt Boyd, Future Stars, highlights, Nolan Ryan, nice card, Steve Johnson, there we go, finally focused. Let's go into another pack. The reason why I buy it, just to support, I do know the guy who, not personally, but I've contacted him many times, so I do kind of know him, who owns the machine. So it's pretty cool, I just want to support. There's no really local card shops around my area. There's a Chapman. Nice. I will take it. This is a Ichiro insert. Altuve. Insert. David Ortiz. Marksberry. Matt Marksberry. So, I just wanted to do something to, I wanted to do something different, number one, and also get some cards. And, yeah, support his little machine there. Let's see what's in this grab bag. Gotta be better than the other one. You have a Dempsey, Sanchez rated rookie, some Fleer. Nice. This is nice. Ken Griffey Jr. Collectors Club. Nice card. Logan Morrison. Some more Fleer. Leaf, Colton Fisk. I will take it. Andrew Dorson. Nice card. Didi, Greg Maddux, Nolan Ryan. I do have a couple of these cards. I wonder if I make a set yet of them. There's Andrew Dorson again, Kevin McReynolds, Rookie Jordan, and we have some coming attractions. Alright, so that wasn't that bad. That beat that other one. Beat the other grab bag. Last pack. of the 2016 Series 2. Joey Votto. Peter O'Brien rookie card. John Jay. Ruben. Oh. Nice. I do like this one. Numbered. 1875 of 2016. Nice card. Mark McGwire, home run record. Don't have that card, so I will take it. Cincinnati Reds. And Chavez. So there you have it. Pretty good. Not bad. I would say I got my money's worth. Some cards that I've never seen before. Also some good inserts. So let me know what you think of my neighborhood baseball / non-sport or sport card machine. If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Comment below. Don't forget about the giveaway. Pop-up giveaways, everybody. If you're not a subscriber, best time to do it. There should be a circle coming up right around there. Click that. Give the video a thumbs up. Comment below. Be in the pop-up giveaway. This is Mike for the Collectors Corner saying thank you all for watching. Till next time, everybody, take care. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.